When your job demands a tool that won't fail, your choice of knife isn't about collection. It's about capability, reliability, and trust. For professionals in law enforcement, security, the military, and demanding outdoor fields, a tactical knife is a critical piece of gear. But with hundreds of options, which ones are truly built for the mission? We've analyzed the latest models, focusing on strength, deployment, steel, and real-world utility to bring you the definitive top 10 tactical knives for professionals in 2026. These aren't just pocket jewelry. These are tools engineered for the edge. Let's begin the countdown. Number 10. Kershaw Launch 15. Starting our list is a testament to American manufacturing precision and instant deployment capability, the Kershaw Launch 15. This automatic knife represents the pinnacle of Kershaw's made-in-USA line, built in Tualatin, Oregon, with a focus on premium materials and split-second readiness. Its 3.4-inch drop-point blade is crafted from CPM 154 steel, a particle metallurgy alloy celebrated for its exceptional balance of edge retention, toughness, and superior corrosion resistance. A critical trifecta for professionals operating in humid, salty, or chemically challenging environments. The heart of the Launch 15 is its push-button automatic mechanism, which utilizes a robust coil spring to fire the blade open with a reliable, authoritative thwack, achieving full lockup in milliseconds. This provides a decisive advantage in high-stress scenarios where manual dexterity or time is limited. The handle is machined from 6061 T6 aluminum with a bead-blasted finish, offering a secure, lightweight grip, and it includes a deep carry pocket clip for discreet, low-profile carry. While automatic knife laws vary significantly by state and municipality, for professionals in permissible jurisdictions, such as military personnel, certain law enforcement officers, or first responders, the Launch 15 offers a level of instant access reliability and domestic craftsmanship that is hard to match. It's a tool that embodies the principle of always be ready, backed by Kershaw's reputation for quality control. Number 9. CRKT Tuna. This compact folder is famously overbuilt, featuring a dramatically thick blade stock and a handle sculpted from solid, textured G10 that feels like a dense, unbreakable tool in the palm. It's engineered to withstand lateral forces, prying, and impact that would catastrophically fail a typical folding knife's lock or blade, making it an ideal last-ditch tool for survivalists, firefighters, or tactical operators who need a backup that can function as a miniature pry bar, hammer, or wedge. The unique sheep's foot-style blade, with its dramatically upswept tip, provides a long, straight cutting edge for powerful slicing, while virtually eliminating the risk of an accidental, dangerous stab during high-force applications in confined spaces. Despite its stout build, it carries incredibly well due to its short overall length. For the professional who operates in extreme environments, whether urban, industrial, or wilderness, and requires a knife that can be called upon for tasks far beyond cutting without a second thought, the Tuna is a nearly indestructible asset. It's the pocket tool you hope you never need, but are profoundly grateful to have when conventional tools fail. Number 8. Vosteed Corgi. It earns its place not through aggressive aesthetics, but through a masterclass in practical, intelligent design tailored for controlled utility. Its standout feature is the distinctive locksmith, or modified Warncliffe blade shape, which provides a long, completely straight cutting edge from heel to tip. This geometry offers supreme control and predictability, as the blade edge meets the material being cut at a consistent angle, making it exceptional for scoring, precision cuts, rope work, gear repair, and first aid applications where a slip could be catastrophic. The knife employs a smooth, fidget-friendly button lock mechanism, allowing for easy, ambidextrous one-handed operation and closing. The handle is contoured from textured G10, offering a comfortable, secure grip that fills the hand nicely. What makes the Corgi tactical is its focus on mission-specific effectiveness over intimidation. It's a thinking professional's tool. For an EMT needing to cut away clothing, a technician performing field repairs, or an officer requiring a precise tool for evidence handling, the Corgi's design prioritizes safety, control, and functional versatility. Number 7. Bastion Braza Carbon Fiber. This knife seamlessly blends luxury materials with serious capability. Its handle scales are meticulously crafted from layered carbon fiber, resulting in a visually striking, lightweight yet immensely strong grip that dissipates heat and resists corrosion. The blade is forged from M390 Super Steel, a powdered metallurgy alloy from Baller that is the benchmark for elite edge retention, toughness, and stain resistance, ensuring it stays razor-sharp through extensive use and is easy to maintain in the field. The frame lock is robust, and the flipper deployment is exceptionally smooth on cage ceramic bearings. This knife is designed for the executive protection agent, the plainclothes investigator, or the high-profile professional who cannot carry an overtly tactical tool but requires absolute reliability. It looks like a refined gentleman's accessory, but performs with the authority of a dedicated tactical instrument. In environments where blending in is a tactical advantage, the Braza carbon fiber provides a formidable cutting tool without drawing unnecessary attention, proving that high performance can come in an elegant, understated package that is as much about mindset and environment as it is about raw cutting power. Number 6. Kershaw Nura 3.5. It features Kershaw's dependable speed-safe assisted opening mechanism, where a pull on the flipper tab engages a torsion bar, launching the 4.5-inch blade open swiftly, smoothly, and reliably, locking securely into place with a sturdy frame lock. This large blade, with its slight recurve, provides excellent reach and slicing aggression for heavier tasks like cutting rope, strapping, or vegetation. The handle is constructed from textured, glass-reinforced nylon, GRN, over a stainless steel liner, offering a secure grip that stands up to hard use in wet or cold conditions. The Nura 3.5 is a straightforward, robust tool designed for professionals, such as those in landscaping, construction, maritime work, or security, who appreciate a simple, effective mechanism and require a larger blade presence for demanding physical tasks without venturing into custom knife prices. It represents proven, dependable technology executed very well, with an emphasis on ergonomics and cutting performance over flashy features. For the user who needs a capable, durable folder that can handle day in, day out abuse as a primary tool, the Nura 3.5 delivers reliable service with a commanding feel in hand. Number 5. Kershaw Aridium. The Kershaw Aridium stands as a benchmark for value in the professional folding knife category. It features a 3.4-inch drop-point blade crafted from D2 tool steel, a high-carbon, high-chromium alloy renowned for its exceptional wear resistance and ability to hold a working edge far longer than typical budget steels, a critical factor for professionals who can't stop to sharpen frequently. The deployment is handled by Kershaw's excellent Duralock, a crossbar-style mechanism that provides easy, ambidextrous opening and a solid, trustworthy lockup with no blade play, rivaling systems on knives twice its cost. The handle is machined from textured, anodized 6061 T6 aluminum, offering a secure, comfortable grip that effectively dissipates hand fatigue during prolonged cutting sessions. At around $60, the US-designed Iridium demolishes the price barrier to high-performance folding knives, offering a level of refinement, durability, and cutting performance that makes it not just a great budget option, but a legitimate contender as a primary hard-use tool for any enthusiast or professional. It's the knife that proves serious capability doesn't require a three-figure investment, making it an intelligent choice for agencies, teams, or individuals outfitting themselves on a practical budget. Number 4. Kizer Assassin XL. This is a substantial, full-size folder built for professionals who routinely encounter tasks that demand a larger tool, such as clearing light brush, cutting heavy rope or webbing, processing materials in the field, or any situation where a small blade is inefficient. Its imposing 4.25-inch drop-point blade provides exceptional slicing aggression and reach, while the full flat grind ensures it moves through material with minimal resistance. Despite its size, the Assassin XL maintains a refined action thanks to a smooth flipper tab deployment on ball bearings and a secure, early engagement frame lock. The handle, sculpted from contoured G10 or titanium, depending on the variant, is ergonomically designed to fill the hand, offering immense control and leverage during heavy cutting, reducing the risk of slippage. For military personnel, forestry workers, search and rescue teams, or security professionals operating in wide-open or rugged environments, the Assassin XL provides serious fixed blade-like capability in a folding format. It's a tool that makes a statement about readiness and is built to handle the larger-scale cutting challenges that smaller EDC knives simply cannot address effectively. Number 3. CJRB Ekko. The CJRB Ekko has rapidly achieved cult status by delivering a premium, fidget-friendly tactical experience at a remarkably accessible price, making it one of the best value propositions in the knife world. Its standout feature is an exceptionally well-tuned button lock that provides a satisfying drop-shut smoothness upon disengagement, a level of mechanical refinement typically reserved for knives in the $150 plus range. This mechanism allows for rapid, ambidextrous opening and closing, which is not only fun but also practical for one-handed operation under stress. The blade is crafted from AR RPM9 steel, a modern, nitrogen-based alloy that offers better toughness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance than many traditional budget steels like 8CR13 MOV. With its clean, neutral handle lines, excellent ergonomics, and flawless action straight out of the box, the Ekko proves conclusively that a low price tag no longer necessitates compromises in materials, design, or action feel. For professionals, whether as a primary carry or a trusted backup, it represents a low-risk, high-reward investment. It's a smart, economical buy that allows individuals or departments to equip themselves with a highly capable, reliable tactical folder without straining budgets, all while enjoying a level of mechanical joy that inspires confidence daily. Number 2. Cold Steel Frenzy 2. The Cold Steel Frenzy 2 is engineered from the molecular level up for a single, brutal purpose: to survive and perform under catastrophic force that would destroy or permanently disable a conventional folding knife. Its 3.5-inch sheep's foot blade is forged from CPM 3V steel, a particle metallurgy tool steel celebrated as one of the toughest, most impact-resistant alloys available, offering an almost supernatural resistance to chipping, rolling, or breaking under prying, battening, or impact loads. The sheep's foot shape is a stroke of safety-focused genius. Its broad belly is ideal for powerful slicing and scraping, while the radically upswept, completely blunt tip makes it one of the safest knife designs for high-force applications, virtually eliminating the lethal risk of a dangerous accidental stab during prying or when your hand slips. All this contained power is locked into place by Cold Steel's legendary, patented triad lock, a mechanism that uses a complex interplay of angles and a stout stop pin to redistribute insane amounts of force away from the locked contact point, making mechanical failure a theoretical concept. Number 1. Cold Steel SR1 Lite claims the top spot by being the closest thing to an indestructible, do-anything folding knife that combines extreme durability with remarkable value. It wins not by having a single exotic feature, but by mastering the fundamentals of strength, safety, and utility at a price that encourages hard use without financial anxiety. Its handle is injection molded from GrivX, a proprietary polymer composite so notoriously tough that Cold Steel's marketing famously involves running over it with trucks, a testament to its impact and compression resistance. The blade, while not a super steel, is a stout, durable design perfectly suited for hard tasks. The heart of its reliability is the ultra-secure triad lock, providing a lockup that inspires absolute confidence. Where the SR1 Lite excels is in its perfect balance. It's large and robust enough for serious prying, hammering, and cutting, yet not overly heavy or expensive. It's the knife you can truly abuse, pry open a crate, hammer in a tent stake, or use as an emergency wedge, without a second thought about damaging a costly investment. For the professional who needs one go-to, survive-anything folding knife that can handle 95% of field tasks, from the mundane to the extreme, the SR1 Lite is the undisputed champion of value-driven, extreme-duty performance.